Okay, now if we talk about the roots and how is it formed, the formation and the roots of the Ansa cervicalis. See, we have the internal jugular vein and we have the carotid artery. So here, this is the external, internal and the common carotid artery, right? These are all covered in the carotid sheath. What are the nerves present in the carotid sheath? It is 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. We need to pay special attention to this 12th nerve here, okay? Now, Ansa cervicalis has got two roots, the superior root and the inferior root, right? So the inferior root, it is the continuation of this descending branch of the 12th nerve, and it has also got the fibers from C1. This is the C1 and this is the descending branch of the 12th nerve, right? It forms the superior root. This is the superior root. So the descending branch from 12th and the fibers from C1 are forming the superior root. After that is the inferior root. It is the descending cranial nerve. It is derived from second and third cranial nerve, right? So first of all, the superior root, it descends over the internal carotid artery and the common carotid artery. So the internal carotid artery and the common carotid artery, after that after that comes the inferior root. Okay, it has got branches from C2 and C3, right? So the inferior root, it first wounds around the internal jugular vein. After that, it joins the superior root of the it joins the superior root in front of the common carotid artery. Here, the inferior root is joining the superior root. Now, the superior root has got branches from C2 and C3, right? Inferior root has got branches from C2 and C3. So, these are the two roots. We have the superior root and the inferior root. The superior root has got branches from C1 and certain fibers from the descending branch of 12th. These descend over the internal carotid and the common carotid artery. This is the superior root. Inferior root got branches from C2 and C3. It wounds around the internal jugular vein and it joins the superior root in front of the common carotid artery. Okay, so these are the two roots of the Ansa cervicalis. Next is the distribution of Ansa cervicalis. We have got a mnemonic for this, that is great Thor on sheer stone in, ठीक है? We have first the hypoglossal nerve. Now this is the 12th nerve, right? Hypoglossal. Now this is the Ansa cervicalis, right? Superior root and inferior root. This is C1, C2, C3. Okay, so first, it has a branch to the geniohyoid. After that, it gives a branch to the thiohyoid. ठीक है? तो ये T, geniohyoid, thiohyoid. After that, the superior root, it is giving a branch to the superior belly of the omohyoid. So omohyoid, GTO, great Thor on. Geniohyoid, thyrohyoid and omohyoid, the superior root. Next, if we talk about the inferior root, it is giving a branch to the sternohyoid, then a branch to sternothyroid, shear stone. Along with that, a branch to the inferior belly of the omohyoid. Okay, so the superior belly of omohyoid supplied by superior root, inferior belly of omohyoid supplied by the inferior root. We have great Thor on shear stone in, that is geniohyoid, thiohyoid. Then superior belly of omohyoid. Then we have the sternohyoid. After sternohyoid, sternothyroid. And then we have inferior belly of omohyoid. Okay. So this is it about the distribution of the Ansa cervicalis. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss the latest updates. Also, do let me know in the comment section below if this video has helped you in any ways, as this would boost me to make videos of even better versions for you all. Stay tuned, keep visiting. Thank you.